Welcome to Searching in the WebDewey service. In this video, you will see the various search options available in the Dewey database to search for and retrieve DDC numbers. Before beginning your search, determine the desired topic. The topic may appear in several disciplines in Dewey. For example, technology can be found in computers, medicine, engineering, or agriculture. You can search the relative index to check how the topic is treated in each discipline. There is also the option to browse the main classes to reach the desired topic and discipline. Afterward, you can open a Dewey record from the number in the search result or from the main classes. Then, you can check its content as well as the notes or instructions for using the number. Among the search options in the service are Search by Main Classes, Basic Search, Advanced Search, and Command Search. WebDewey accepts basic or advanced searches using truncation by adding an asterisk to the right or left part of the term. You can also use a wildcard to replace a single character with the pound sign or a question mark to replace multiple characters when unsure of the spelling, or to expand your search. It is also possible to combine terms using Boolean operators to search for both terms, for one or the other, or for one but not the other. There are several types of DDC numbers in the search results. Class number, built class number with an icon in front, centered entry, representing a range of numbers, number in parentheses, representing an optional or alternative number, number in brackets, representing discontinued or relocated numbers, which should not be used. Table number from tables 1 to 6. Built table number with an icon in front. Centered table entry, representing a range of numbers. Table notation to be added to a class number. And manual entry with an icon in front. Let's start with the option to search from the 10 main classes, where you can browse topics and their details. From any page, you can access the main classes from the menu at the top or in the center. All 10 classes for the main topics are composed of 3 digits or DDC summaries, and each class is divided into 10 divisions with 1,000 sections. For example, technology is class 600. Other numbers are added for disciplines. You can open a built Dewey record or continue building your number. In the area of Dewey number components, you can see the respective subdivision table. Tables are not isolated numbers. They are related to the Dewey record and can be added to the class number. There are 6 types of tables and notations that can be added to specific class numbers following the instructions in the note. The terms in the relative index show the connection between the topic and the disciplines. There are also options to consult Library of Congress subject headings or medical subject headings. Another search option is the basic search. Use the basic search to find a term anywhere in the WebDewey database. Enter one or more terms, words, or numbers in the search box. When entering multiple terms, spaces are treated as the Boolean operator, and the search retrieves records containing all terms. You can filter the result at the top by selecting Dewey numbers. The structure of a built number is composed of the class number followed by the detailed topic or subdivision, and the number description. An asterisk or cross icon next to the description means there are notes in the record. Always open the Notes field to check for specific instructions. The notes are important to determine if it is the correct number for your item. Lower in the record are the terms from the relative index, showing the connection between the topic and the discipline. You can also perform a basic search with truncation, part of the term followed by an asterisk, or with a wildcard to replace a term or terms by using the pound sign or question mark. Another search option is Advanced Search. Use Advanced Search to select an index and focus on specific fields in the database. Enter one or more terms in one or more fields, select the index from the drop-down, and combine searches using Boolean operators. And, not, or. You can search using 2 or more terms in the same or different indexes. Advanced Search also accepts truncation or replacement characters. Optionally, you can check a box to save your search terms, selected indexes, and operators for reuse. Using advanced search, search for the relative index for child development. This search yields 5 items including a built Dewey number. Click to open the record and check for notes and details. Besides basic and advanced searches, WebDewey also offers command searches with a one-line search statement, specifying multiple indexes, Boolean operators, and other advanced functions. In command searches, identify indexes by entering the index label followed by a colon and the term. You can combine searches by adding a space, a Boolean operator, and another index label and term. The list of search indexes is available at help.oclc.org. A command search can be entered in one line in advanced search or in a basic search. For example, CP:"Celtic and CP:"Religion. CP equals captions or description can be entered in one line and view the search results. From advanced search, we can enter another command search. RI:"Cats or DD:636.8. RI equals relative index. DD equals Dewey number. Click search and view the search results. You can also search for terms using browse search. Use this option to determine if a term appears in a WebDewey index, or to identify alternative terms for your desired topic. Browse search looks for all characters from left to right. Truncation, replacement, or Boolean operators cannot be used in this type of search. For example, navigating by Dewey number 794.8 shows the description electronic games. If you or your library have created comments and made them visible in preferences, you can search and find comments in the respective Dewey records or search for public comments. For individual comments, only the creator has access. For institutional comments, available for multi-user licenses, users of the institution can access them. In addition to search options, WebDewey provides a search history feature where you can view your last 30 searches, repeat a previous search, or revise a previous search. The history option is available in advanced search, browse search, and comments. WebDewey offers several pre-built classification numbers. If a built number does not exist, start with a base number, 794.8, from the main classes or by searching for a number. Use the button in the search result to start building your classification number, following the instructions in the notes and manual. Define the structure according to the notes and specify if it is to be added to Dewey, to be validated, or for your institution's use only. Watch the video introduction to WebDewey for more details about the service, including navigation options and preference settings. The link to this video is in the video description. For additional instructional materials, visit help.oclc.org. For any queries not answered by the support site, contact OCLC support by clicking the Contact Us link, found at the top of the page, and then select Find Contact Information in your region. Thank you for watching.